Well, now to the Karen Reed murder trial. Today's testimony focused on family ties and police connections. The jurors heard from members of a prominent Canton family who were neighbors and friends of John O'Keefe and Karen Reed. Our NBC 10's John Maroney joining us live from Norfolk Superior Court in Dedham with a recap of today's proceedings. John.
Priscilla, it was only a half day of testimony, but the defense spent a lot of time on allegations that a well-known Canton family conspired with police to frame Karen Reed.
John O'Keefe came with Karen Reed.
Canton Selectman Chris Albert says he was with John O'Keefe and Karen Reed at the Waterfall Bar and Grill the night before O'Keefe died.
It was fine. Everyone was just having a good time.
Albert says O'Keefe was a friend. He was shocked to learn the Boston police officer's body was found on the snowy front lawn of his brother Brian's home.
You would agree with me that the Albert family is well known in the town of Canton.
We have a big family.
And you would agree with me that the Albert family is a powerful family in the town of Canton.
Objection.
Sustained.
Defense attorney David Yannetti grilled Albert about his family and their relationship with investigators, like former Canton Chief Kenneth Berkowitz, seen here with Chris Albert at a campaign event, as well as State Trooper Michael Proctor, who became lead investigator because another Albert brother Kevin is a Canton cop. The defense says law enforcement has conspired to frame Reed.
She opened her jacket and had a glass and pulled the glass out and started drinking.
Julie Albert testified she was at Waterfall with her husband and recalls Reed arriving with a drink under her coat from another bar across the street. The defense attacked her ties to Michael Proctor, saying she's very close to the lead investigator's sister, Courtney. They said telephone records indicate Albert spoke with Proctor's sister 67 times by phone in the months after John O'Keefe's death.
Were you using Courtney Proctor as an intermediary to communicate with Michael Proctor about this case?
Objection.
I'll allow it.
No, I was not.
Now, Julie Albert, she will be back on the stand tomorrow morning. Friday will be a full day of testimony. We're live in Dedham. John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.